Hello everyone, this is your Srinivas. Today I am going to explain about such a beautiful model about mensuration. The question is a metal pipe. Yes, this is metal pipe. Here, metal pipe. You observe the metal pipe. It is having inner and outer cylinders are there. This is a cylindrical shape. It is having hollow cylinder. Example of hollow cylinder. Just I told you what is the definition of hollow cylinder. My previous video. A solid bounded by two coaxial cylinders with same height, different radii, then the solid is called hollow cylinder. Example, a pipe. Okay, here both inner cylinder is there, outer cylinder is there. Inner cylinder radius is there, outer cylinder also have the radius, different radius, and height is the same height. Now let us see. Yes, this is the hollow cylinder example. Yes, now this hollow cylinder is have inner radius, hollow cylinder have inner radius, and outer cylinder have outer radius, right? Now height will be same only. Radius are different, height will be same. Yes, in the question every time I am telling you, my dear friends, in every question have there some important keywords will be there. What are the keywords you have to pick out from the question, you will get the answer. Yes, metal pipe is long, 77 centimeter long. It should be height 77 centimeter, right? Now inner diameter is given. Inner diameter, yes, inner diameter of the cylinder. Inner diameter is 4 centimeter. That implies R should be 4 by 2. That equals to 2 centimeter. This is called inner radius of a cylinder. Inner radius of a cylinder, right? Next, what is the important keyword here? Inner completed. Next, outer diameter. Outer diameter is given, that is 4.4 centimeter. That implies radius will be 4.4 by 2, that is nothing but 2.2 centimeter. It is outer radius of cylinder. Outer radius of cylinder. Okay. Next, height is given. Long is nothing but height. Outer radius, inner radius also given. Find total surface area. Yes, you know very well. Total surface area of this solid. Okay. We know very well. Yes. Curved surface area of inner cylinder plus curved surface area of outer cylinder plus area of circular ends. Okay. If you find total surface area of a solid, we have to find first curved surface area of inner cylinder plus curved surface area of outer cylinder plus area of two circular ends. It is nothing but a ring. Nothing but a ring formula also. Now let us see, I am going to do that. Inner curved surface area. Yes, inner curved surface area of a cylinder. Inner curved surface area of a cylinder. Yes, you know the formula is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7, you know very well, radius, don't confuse it. This is the radius. D1 is the inner, D2 is the outer. Let us think like that. Inner radius is 2 centimeter. Take it here. Now height, same height, 7 centimeter. 7 1 ja 77, 7 1 ja 7 11 ja 77. 2 into 22, 44, 44 to the 88, 88 11 ja 968 meters square. 968 meters square. This is the curved surface area of inner cylinder. Next, let us go with, yes, curved surface area of outer curved surface area of cylinder. Yes, same formula we should apply. 2 pi capital R H, because capital R is the outer radius. Yes, now 2 into 22 by 7. Outer radius should be 2.4, 2.2 into height will be 77. 7 1 ja 7 11 ja. 2 into 22 44. 2 into 22 44. 44 into 11 484. 44 into 11 484 into 2.2. Now you should multiply these two. You should get 64.8 meters square. After multiplication of these two, we should get 1064.8 meters square. Inner curved surface area completed. Outer curved surface area also completed. Now let us go how to do with the area of the two bases. Area of the two bases, it is in the formula. 2 into 2 bases are there. 2 into pi of r square minus capital R square minus small r square. Okay. Now 2 into 22 by 7 capital R 2.2. 2.2 whole square minus small r 2 square. 2 into 22 44 by 7. Yes. Now 2.2 whole square. 2.2 into 2.2 484. 20 20 ja 400. 21 2 2 ja 4. You can multiply it separate also, no problem. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. Then you will get same value. So perfect square up to 30 keep in your mind, then the calculation will be very easy. Next 4 point, here 2 numbers after decimal, keep the point here. 4.84 minus 2 square means 4. Yes, I should get 44 by 7 minus of these two I should get 0.84. Yes, 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 1 remainder, nearest number is 4, 14. It becomes to 14, 7 2 ja 14. Yes, 44 into 0.12, 12 4 ja 6, 48. 12 4 ja 48 plus 4, 52. Point here, point 2 numbers after 52 point. So point 2 numbers after 5.28. 5.28 meter square. Yes, I got curved surface area inner. I got outer curved surface area. I have to get area of the two bases also. What shall I do? Yes, find total surface area. Yes, means area of two bases value 5.28 meter square. Now we have to do TSE of solid. TSA, total surface area of solid. Simple. Inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus area of two bases, two circular bases. Yes, as friends, inner surface 968 meter square, outer 1064.8 meter square plus area of the two bases 5.28 meter square. Now we should add 1064.8, 968.0, here 5.28. You know this decimal addition, you know very well. So 8 10 carry 1, 10 8 carry 1, 12 13 carry 1, 10 carry 1, 2038.08 meter square. This is the complete total surface area of a hollow cylinder, nothing but this pipe also. Yes, in the exam they should ask the total surface area of the iron pipe, a plastic pipe and hollow cylinder, like that they have to ask the question in the exam. You have to follow this process. If this is the keyword, this is the keyword of this total question. This is total surface solid is nothing but find the curved surface area of inner cylinder and curved surface area of outer cylinder plus area of the rings. Sum of these three, you should get total surface area of metal pipe. Okay. Now let us see one more such a good question, board examination question. Let us see. Yes, model number 6. Now we are going to discuss model number 6. Such a good question. The question is a cuboidal solid. In the given figure, a cuboidal solid metallic block of dimensions are 15 centimeters length, 10 centimeter is breadth, 5 centimeter is height given. A cylindrical hole of diameter is 7 centimeter, this diameter. diameter, this diameter is given 7 centimeter, yes, is drilled out. Cubadical shape, in that cylindrical shape is of diameter 7 centimeter is drilled out. Then find the surface area of remaining block. Surface area of the remaining block. In that question, as usual, we have to take the important words here, dimensions. This is called length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height is given. Next, diameter of the cylindrical drilling hole is given. Drilling point is given. That is d equals 7 centimeter. Usually, radius 6, 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find surface area. Yes, that is important point here. Yes, we should find total surface area of cuboidal block. Cuboidal block is nothing but total surface area of cuboid plus curved surface area of cylinder, minus drill it out, no, so minus area, curved surface area of two circular ends, curved surface area of two circular ends. If you know this concept, the answer would be very easy. Yes, total surface area of a cuboid, we know the formula. Yes, 2 of L into B. Yes, the cycle card I told you on that day, my previous video. L into B, LB, B into H, BH plus H into L, HL. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. Plus curved surface area of cylinder. You know very well. So curved surface area of cylinder means perimeter cross section into height, means 2 pi r into h, minus curved surface area of two circular ends, circular area pi r square, 2 are there, 2 pi r square. Chalo. Now dear friends, you see 2 L 15, breadth 10 plus breadth 10, height 5 plus height 5, HL, L means length 15. Once again, LB, length into breadth, BH, breadth into height, HL, height into length, completed. Plus 2 into pi valley 22 by 7, radius 3.5, here height, but height is not there directly. This is a very important point here. Yes, the height will be, yes, height of the cylinder is nothing but height of the cuboid. Height of the cylinder is nothing but height of the cuboid. So this height is nothing but cylinder height also same. Cylinder height of the cylinder also same. Cylinder height is equals to cuboid height. You keep in your mind. This is very important point. Now h means 5 minus 2 pi r square, minus 2 into 22 by 7, radius here, radius of circular end also 3.5 whole square. Check. Now 2 into 15 10s are 150, 10 5s are 50, 15 5s are 75, plus 2 into 22 44 by 7 into here 3.5 shall be right 35 by 10, here 5, here 2 into 22 44 by 7, 3.5 whole square, 3.5 whole square means 35 by 10, 35 by 10. You know, as you know very well, 3.5 decimal convert into fraction, 30 by, point means 1, point after one number, it becomes to 35 by 10. Now, simplification, 150 plus 50, 200, 200 plus 75, 275, plus 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. That means 22 into 5, 22 into 5 minus this one. Yes, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 1, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Yes, again 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Yes, 2 1 2, 2 11 22. What are the remaining terms? 11 into 7. 11 into 7. Okay. Now 2 into 275, 550. 22 into 10, 110, minus 11 into 7, 77. Here both are positive number, which means 550 minus plus 10, 660, as you know very well. Minus 77, carry 10, 10 minus 7, 3. Here 5 not possible. 15 minus 7, 8. Here will be 583. Sum of these two, 550 plus 10, 660, minus 77, I should get 583 meter square, centimeter square, right? Total surface area of metallic cuboid block is 583 centimeter square.